All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. For instance. For instance. Something that could happen. For instance, she might be here first. For instance, we could go there now or tomorrow. Yeah. So, I will be recording tomorrow. For instance, I will want to record at least 30 videos. 30 videos. Very important. Soon they will be here. For instance, they could be here tonight. Yeah. For instance, we think they will be late. For instance, what if I go to sleep? For instance, what if I go to sleep? Yeah. 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 He was there, for instance. He was there, for instance. He was at the party last night. Yeah. We could go. We could go. For instance, we could go for instance, actually. We could go for instance. For instance, we could go. Go where? Anywhere. I am writing it. Oh, I am tired. For instance, maybe the lesson should be over. I'm writing it. For instance, this is what I just wrote. Yeah, look. It's being written now. She might be here tomorrow. For instance, she's taking the express train. Or, because she is taking the express train, she might be here soon. For instance, maybe in 1 hour. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, she is thinking what to do. For instance, she might go to the party. Very good. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Now, can you use for instance in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian, or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.